He missed his flight by 7 minutes. He begged, he argued. He even offered to pay extra. The gate agent shook her head. Boarding is closed. He walked away angry. He thought, this is ruining my life. Then 2 hours later, his phone started exploding. Messages, calls, news alerts. That flight didn't make it. And suddenly, missing a flight was not an inconvenience. It was a second chance. You will hear 3 turning points. 3 moments that changed the way he lived. I will also break down the psychology, why near misses wake people up, why most people waste that wake up, and how to turn fear into a new life. At the end, you will get a simple second chance plan. Real steps you can start today. And one note before we begin. If you ever feel unsafe or overwhelmed, talk to someone you trust or a professional. You deserve support. Now let's start. Chapter 1. The Worst Morning. Turning point number 1. His name was Ryan. Ryan was 29. From the outside, he looked fine. He had a job.
He had a place to live.
He had friends, but inside, he lived on autopilot. Wake up, rush, work, scroll, sleep. He told himself, I'll fix my life later. Later was his favorite word. Ryan was flying that morning for work. A short trip, a normal day. He set 3 alarms. He still woke up late, not because he didn't care, because his nights were messy. He stayed up scrolling. He ate late. He slept late. He woke up tired. He rushed out the door. No breakfast. No calm. Just panic. Traffic was brutal. Red lights felt personal. He looked at the time every 10 seconds like it could change. He finally reached the airport. He ran through the entrance. He ran past people. He ran like his life depended on it, because in his mind it did. He reached the gate. He saw it. Closed. The sign was calm. Boarding complete. Ryan's heart hammered. He stepped forward and said, please, I'm right here. The agent looked tired but kind. I'm sorry. We can't reopen the gate. Ryan felt heat in his face. He wasn't just angry at the airline. He was angry at himself, because this wasn't about one flight. This was about a pattern. Always late, always rushing, always fixing problems he created. He grabbed his phone and texted his boss. Missed the flight, I'm rebooking. His boss replied fast. This is becoming a habit, Ryan. That line hit harder than the missed flight. Ryan walked away and sat down. He stared at the floor. He thought, I'm messing everything up. That was turning point number 1. Not because he missed the flight, because he saw his life clearly. A life controlled by poor habits, and he hated the feeling. Chapter 2. The Message That Froze Him. Turning point number 2. Ryan rebooked another flight for later. He sat in the terminal, angry and embarrassed. He bought coffee he didn't need. He scrolled to distract himself. Then his phone buzzed. A message from his friend Tyler.
Bro, were you on flight 218?
Ryan frowned. He typed back. I was supposed to be, missed it. Tyler replied, thank God. Ryan's stomach dropped. Then another message came. A group chat. Are you okay? Please answer. Tell me you weren't on it. Ryan stood up slowly. He opened the news. His hands started shaking. There it was. That flight had an emergency. The details were messy and confusing at first. But one thing was clear. Something went terribly wrong. Ryan's mouth went dry. He sat down like his legs forgot how to work. A cold thought hit him. I was supposed to be there. He pictured the seat, the aisle, his bag in the overhead bin. He pictured his normal routine. Headphones on, eyes on the phone, brain asleep, and then he pictured it ending. In one moment, he started breathing fast. Not a clean panic attack, a real fear, the kind that makes your body feel small. He stared at the screen. Then he whispered, that could have been me. That was turning point 2, not the news, the weight of it. Because Ryan realized something for the first time. Life is not promised. And he had been living like it was. He had been wasting days like he had unlimited days. He had been saying later like later was guaranteed. Then his phone buzzed again. A message from his mother, please call me, please. Ryan called. His mom answered crying. She said, I can't breathe, are you alive? Ryan said, I'm here, I'm okay. His mother kept saying, thank God, thank God. Ryan closed his eyes. He felt shame. Not because he missed the flight, because he realized how careless he had been with life. Then he did something he never did. He stopped scrolling. He opened his notes app, and he wrote one sentence, I got spared. I will not waste it. He didn't feel motivated. He felt awake. Chapter 3. The Second Chance Plan. Turning point number 3. Ryan didn't become a new man in one day. He still felt shaken for weeks. Sometimes he couldn't sleep. Sometimes he replayed the what if. But then he realized something important. Fear can destroy you, or it can direct you. Ryan chose direction. He told himself, if I got a second chance, I need a second system, because his old system was chaos. So he built a simple plan called the Second Chance 90. 3 rules. 1. Sleep at the same time every night. 2. Train 1 hour daily. 3. Build 1 life skill daily. He didn't pick 10 goals, he picked 3, because 3 rules can run your life, and he made them small enough to follow. Sleep rule meant phone away at 11 p.m., lights off, no debate. Training rule meant walk up, lift, run, anything but 1 hour. Skill rule meant 1 focused hour learning something that improves his future. Ryan chose a skill that fit his work. He chose public speaking and communication, not for hype, for results. He wanted to stop hiding. He wanted confidence that came from practice. Then he added 1 more rule, 1 honest conversation per week. He had avoided honesty. He avoided hard talks. He avoided emotions. Now he faced them. Week 1, he told his boss, "You're right, I've been sloppy. I'm changing my structure." His boss didn't clap, but his boss listened. Week 2, he told his best friend, "I've been living like I don't care. I do, I'm just lost." Week 3, he told his mom, "I'm grateful, but I'm also scared. I don't want to waste life." His mom said, "Then don't." Simple. Strong. Then the real change began. His sleep improved. His mornings stopped being a fight. His body felt lighter. His mind felt calmer. Not perfect, better. Then something else happened. He started respecting himself, because he started keeping promises. Small promises. Daily. That's where confidence comes from. Not from speeches, from evidence. 3 months later, Ryan did something that shocked people. He asked to lead a presentation at work. The old Ryan would have avoided it. He would have said, "Not my thing." Now he said, "I'm ready." He practiced for 2 weeks. He delivered it. His voice shook a little, but he did it. People clapped, not because it was perfect, because it was brave. After the meeting, a coworker said, "Man, you've changed. What happened?" Ryan paused. He didn't tell the whole story. He just said, "I stopped living on autopilot." That was turning point 3, not the presentation, the identity shift. Ryan stopped being the guy who almost lived. He became the guy who lives on purpose. Why near misses change people? What happened to Ryan has a name. It's not magic. It's psychology. Number 1, mortality makes priorities clear. When you feel close to loss, your brain wakes up. Small problems stop looking big. Big problems stop being avoidable. You see time differently. Number 2, fear creates energy but only short term. In the beginning, fear is powerful. It makes you clean your life up fast, but fear fades. That's why you need a system. If you rely on fear, you will fall back. Number 3, meaning beats motivation. Motivation is a mood. Meaning is a reason. Ryan changed because he found meaning. I was spared. I will build. That reason carried him when feelings dropped. The second chance comeback plan. Start today. You don't need to miss a flight to wake up. You can wake up now. Here's the plan. Step 1, write the truth in 1 line. Write, "If I keep living like this, my future will be Vice. Fill it in honestly, no filters. Step 2, choose your 90-day focus. Pick 1 main focus: health, career stability, skill building, mental strength, relationship. 1 focus, not 5. Step 3, create 3 daily rules. Use this template. 1, same sleep time. 2, 1 hour movement. 3, 1 hour skill. Simple. Strong. Step 4, add 1 weekly hard thing. 1 hard action weekly. Make 1 scary call. Have 1 honest conversation. Apply for 1 role. Post your work. Ask for feedback. 1 per week. That's growth. Step 5, fix your environment. Environment controls behavior. Phone away from bed. Clothes ready at night. Healthy food visible. Make the right action easy. Step 6, track it. Use a calendar. Mark an X for each day you follow the rules. Do not break the chain. If you miss a day, return the next day. Step 7, 1 action today, tonight. Set a sleep time. Set an alarm. Plan 1 hour tomorrow. Then do 10 minutes now. Walk. Stretch. Write your rules. Start small. Start today. Ryan missed his flight, and it saved his life. Not just because he avoided disaster, because it forced him to wake up. It forced him to see time as real. If you're watching this, you're here. You're alive. That means you still have a chance. You can't change yesterday, but you can change your next 90 days. And 90 days can change your identity. Say this out loud. I'm not waiting for a wake-up call. I'm waking up now. Then take one step today. If this story helped you, subscribe. This channel shares movie-style stories with real steps, comebacks, discipline, and real change. And comment one phrase below. Second chance. So you commit to living on purpose, starting today.